Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you how to change screenshot format on this device. So to do that, you just should go into the settings. By the way, you can use the Samsung pen if you want, or your fingers. I'll go with a pen. And just after launch the settings app, just scroll down to the advanced features, and here scroll a little bit down and you'll see the screenshots and screen recorder section. Just tap there, and right there you'll see the screenshot format. Tap here. Now we'll just get the JPG, and we can change our screenshot format to the PNG, and also we can go back to the JPEG. Just you should select one from this format what you want to use on your screenshots. So that's it, and thank you guys for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.